This is a pedal washer for the small scale because we don't put a lot of the cassava inside. Here you can see the pedal, and inside we do have these things to make the stones, small stones, go downstairs, and the everything we hear is at least 5 millimeters. It will use stable and long time. It is totally the different machine with the other companies like Goodway. You can see it. We will never cheating our qualities. Our quality is very good. So it's our cost will be higher than our competitors, but it's all worth